Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the NEWEER 18-inch ring light. And the reason I got this is because I was using daylight. I'm using daylight right now, and the problem with daylight is I'd get like sun in my eyes and I'd be battling with that, or it might be overcast, or the weather's a bit darker than I thought it would be on that particular day, and it just always fluctuates. So sunlight and daylight is brilliant, but I just wanted something that was more consistent, that I could pretty much film at any time of the day, because most of the time I can't do it in the morning, so I'm doing it later on, and then obviously you're battling with the weather. So all that said, that is the reason I went and used my money to go and buy this ring light. And yeah, I think it was exactly 2 months ago, and I remember spending £85.99. I will show you. Here it is. As you can see there, it says you last purchased this item on 3rd of June 2020. So I definitely spent for this, and it's really annoying because now I can see that it's £69.99. So I definitely could have saved £15. So that's annoying, but that's okay. I've got my good use out of it. So I don't want to spend all this video talking without actually doing what you came here to see, right? So let's get straight into it and let's look at the light. Okay guys, so I know you like to see the first unbox, but like I said earlier, I did get this 2 months ago, so I've tried to put it back in the box as it came, but yeah, it's not completely original, but as close as I could remember it coming, right? So, to get this box, let me put this one to the side. That's falling. So you'll get this box, and in here came these shades, and you also get white ones, which is the ones that are currently on the NEWEER light. But if you want like more warm tones, then you would use these, and I'll show you how to put these on in a moment. And then you also get your little pieces of paperwork. That one just says, if there's a problem, this is how you contact us. And there's also instructions, but honestly, it's so simple, you don't need the instructions. And then you get this little gadget here. Right. And that is when you want to use with your camera, your DSLR or mirrorless or whatever you've got. You can take a picture or start a video with the button, or you can use your phone as well. So that says Android on it. So you can also use your phone. So I thought that was handy dandy, because if it's just you recording like it is me right now, then I'd love to be able to just start and stop, which I will do right now just to show you. Here we go. So I definitely think that this is a really good little tool. So next, in here you have your second box, and that is your stand. So that is your stand. And you can see, like I said, I got the 18-inch one, so this does go quite tall. I can't remember exactly how tall, I'll find that out. And I will leave a link below if you want any of these measurements. And yeah, you basically just pull it out just like that, like level, straight as possible, and then all you do is there's a little dial here, and you just basically turn it. Okay, and then there's two more up here, and this one will elongate, so I'm just going to take it all the way up so that you can fully see. So turn it that way, and lift it up, at the moment. And again, I'm just going to tighten it and get the next piece out of the box. So again, you've got your wires, really simple, just a power cord. I love it when there's not too many wires. The ring light itself is the last item. So that's what it looks like. And when I mentioned earlier that you can turn this into warm, that's what you do. You pretty much attach it like that. So if I take one off, this is how it came without these on. So you've just got your LED lights here, and you literally just put it on and snap it in place. Just like that. Super simple, right? Okay, so here you can see there's another two dials. One is to tilt and one is to tighten it onto our stand. So we're going to tighten it onto our stand first. So just like that. I'm just tightening this now. And that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Another piece that it came with is this, and that basically is for you to put your camera on the top, and then you can swivel it around depending on obviously what angle you want it to be in, and that just slots into the top. So hopefully you'll be able to see this. Right here is a slot, yeah, hopefully the sunlight is catching this, and then you just slot that bit in just like so. So I'm currently obviously using my camera on the gorilla stand at the moment, but I would put my camera here, so it pretty much sits here, right? If you want to tilt, you can tilt if you like. Tilt. Okay, so now the last thing we need to do is actually plug this in and see what difference it makes when we have it in front of our face, right? Okay, so the moment has come for us to test this. So we turn it on. I'm going to do full blast. Okay, so I am standing in front of a window here, obviously. So this is with sunlight and with the ring light. So that's what you're looking at the moment. Hopefully you're able to see that. And obviously the closer to the camera you are, the more it's going to pick up on the light. So that is like full blast, and this is quite blinding, honestly. It's really bright. So obviously you turn it down to where you like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Really flattering. It gives you a nice luminosity. What is the word I'm looking for? Luminosity. I don't know. You know what I mean. It gives you a nice brightness. And I'm going to shut these curtains so that you can actually see what it looks like without the sunlight as well, right? So imagine you don't have daylight, you're in the dark. I've shut my curtains now. This is what you're going to get on the medium setting of the NEWEER ring light. So overall, I definitely recommend this NEWEER ring light. I really love it, and obviously I haven't sent it back, so that's always a good sign, right? If you're a YouTuber or if you want to have like headshots, I definitely recommend it. I even use this for some of my cooking videos as well. So I definitely use this as an additional light for my cooking videos. So if you do like the effect of this ring light, do let me know in the comments below. I respond to all of my comments. And also, if you want to purchase it, then it will be down in the description box as well. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.